All right, I got the WORKPROX 20V Cordless Hedge trimmer. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Came packaged great, I'll show you that. Inside the package, you're gonna get the hedge trimmer itself with a blade cover on it. And I would suggest folding up a little section of this blade cover here. It makes it easy to slide on. You get a 20V battery, which I'll show you in a minute. The battery comes with about a 3-foot long Type-C to Type-A charging cable. And of course, you get a set of easy to read instructions, but it's pretty easy to use. This hedge trimmer is powered by a 2.0 amp hour battery that you can get up to about 25 minutes of runtime on. Behind the silicone cover here, the battery also doubles as a portable power bank. You got an in for the charging that also doubles out as a Type-C, and you got a USB Type-A here. You just plug it in and press the button here to activate it. I really like that it has a built-in digital display on here, so you can easily check the power level just by pressing the button right here. When I got it, the battery was charged to about 80%. I was able to charge it up to 100% using your typical 5-volt, 2.4 amp charger in a relatively short period of time, maybe 10 minutes or so. The unit itself is relatively lightweight. It's made from a hard plastic, and it has the metal section and metal blades on here, and it weighs in at just under 5 pounds without a battery on it. I find that it's very easy for me to control even when I'm reaching a little. Overall, it's 36 inches in length, and the cutting area of the blade section here from inside to inside is about 20 inches or 22 inches overall. So for me, it's easy to store away in my shed or my basement or even a closet area. There's enough room here at the end here. If you wanted to hang it on a hook, you could do that. It also has laser cut, dual cutting blades that feel pretty sharp to me. And they say it can handle branches up to about 3/4 of an inch thick. I did cut one pretty decent sized branch when I was testing it out, and I'll show you that. One of the things I really like about it is this wraparound handle on here. And there's a rubber grip right here that I kind of like too. Feels nice and comfortable, ergonomic, feels good. There are actually dual safety switches on here. One here and one here. The unit will not work unless you got them both pressed down. Then it has an electric brake on here that stops when one or more of these triggers is released. The wraparound part makes it easy for me to get to all kinds of angles. Makes it easy to control. I like that. There's also a safety guard at the rear of the blade, so that's good to help keep debris from coming at your hands or at you while you're using it. So overall, it worked great for me when I was trimming the cedar in the backyard. A 20-volt cordless rechargeable hedge trimmer that would be great, obviously, for hedges, bushes, shrubs, cedars, and more. Very nice.